channel. Keep watching my videos and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Ding ding ding. Today we are going to prepare rose milk. So let's get started. Half liter of milk. Now I'm going to filter this milk. I'm taking 2 cups of milk. The milk should become cold. Now let us add I have this rose milk powder. So let us add 4 spoons of rose milk powder. So let me add 4 spoons of rose milk powder. And now let us add the sugar. Sugar we have to add 4 spoons. If you don't want sugar, you can just leave it. 1, 2, 3, then 4. Now it's done. Now let me mix with this. Now it's mixed. Let us add into this. Now the yummy milk is ready. Rose milk, sorry. And it's so easy. In a summertime you can use this and drink. See the colors. See the color. It's good. And if you want, you can add the ice. But I'm not going to add this ice into this. So please try it in your home. It's very easy. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.